All right, let's look at some reflections across the x-axis. So here is an example, and I will base it from what I did above. This is going to be y equals negative square root of x. Okay, so now you see the negative is not in here with the x. It's not part of the base. It's not with the x. So it's not going to reflect all of the x values the other way. It's going to reflect the y values. So here's our basic shape, square root of x. And now all of the points are going to be the opposite down here. So you see what this is going to look like? Okay, we have reflected it across the x-axis. And the answer here is only the purple part. I'm going to leave that there so you can see what we started with and how we got it. Let's look at another example here. Y equals negative x to the third. Now this negative is not part of the base. It's not in here with the x. It's not in the parentheses. So we're not moving our x values. We're moving our y values. So our basic shape looks like this. Okay, it's like a snake. This is what x to the third looks like. And now all of these values are flipping the y. Okay, what was up here, y might have been maybe positive 5. Well, now it's down here at negative 5. And all of these down here are the opposite. Okay, so this is what our answer is going to look like. It's going to be the purple. Okay, so I'm going to leave that also. And on the third one, I'm going to put just the answer. So one more example. Y equals negative cubed root of x. So we're going to start with our basic shape, the cubed root of x. Okay, you want to try it? You can pause the video. You could try it yourself. Here is the cubed root of x. And now the minus is not in here with the x. Okay, so we're not flipping over the x values, we're flipping over the y values. Okay, and it's going to end up looking like this, right? Here were the points that I'm now mapping to the other side. All right, and these points that were down here are now going to look like this. Okay, so the answer, I'm going to put it in purple. Answer looks like that. And when you're going to put the answer, that's all you need. Okay, I might do the first one in pencil so it helps me flip it over. Okay, so this is a reflection across the x-axis on the bottom.